হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল ইজি ইংলিশ উইথ সত্যজিৎ। আমার ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নোটিফিকেশন বেল অন করে দিও। এর ফলে আমি যখনই নতুন ভিডিও আপলোড করব সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তোমরা নোটিফিকেশন পেয়ে যাবে। আজকের ভিডিওতে ক্লাস 11-এর টেক্সচুয়াল গ্রামার নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। তোমাদের গ্রামার সেকশনে ফুল মার্কস থাকে 10। এর মধ্যে 7 মার্কস থাকে ভয়েস চেঞ্জ, ন্যারেশন চেঞ্জ, ট্রান্সফরমেশন অফ সেন্টেন্সেস, জয়নিং অফ সেন্টেন্সেস, স্প্লিটিং অফ সেন্টেন্সেস এবং আর্টিকেল অ্যান্ড প্রিপোজিশনে থাকে 3 মার্কস। গ্রামার সেকশনে ভালো রেজাল্ট করতে হলে গ্রামারের বেসিক রুলসগুলো যেমন তোমাদের জানতে হবে, তার পাশাপাশি প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। এই ভিডিওতে কিছু ইম্পর্টেন্ট টেক্সচুয়াল গ্রামার এবং তার সলিউশন করে দেওয়া হলো। তোমরা অবশ্যই সেগুলো পরীক্ষার আগেই প্র্যাকটিস করবে। রিরাইট দ্য ফলোয়িং সেন্টেন্সেস as directed without changing the meaning of the sentences. Set 1. Number A. Now Valentine, said the warden. You will go out in the morning. Change the mood of narration. এর আনসার হবে The warden called the Valentine and announced that he would go out in the morning. They picked up Sir Mohan's suitcase. Change the voice. এর সলিউশন হবে Sir Mohan's suitcase was picked up by them. Number C. A bearer in white livery appeared through a wire gauze door. Turn into complex sentence. এর সলিউশন হবে A bearer who was in white livery appeared through a wire gauze door. Earth has not anything to show more fair. Change into interrogative sentence. এর সলিউশন হবে Does earth have anything to show more fair? Next, he got his key and went upstairs. Change into simple sentence. এর সলিউশন হবে Getting his key, he went upstairs. Next, the engine gave another short whistle and the train began to move. Split into two simple sentences. এর সলিউশন হবে The engine gave another short whistle. The train began to move. Next, Leela's face became red. Rewrite using the verb form of red. এর সলিউশন হবে Leela's face reddened. Set 2. Question number A. Are the trains very crowded on these lines? Lady Lal asked. Change the mode of narration. এর সলিউশন হবে Lady Lal asked if the trains were very crowded on those lines. Next, he wouldn't be allowed to sleep inside the house. Change the voice. এর সলিউশন হবে We would not allow him to sleep inside the house. Next, she had to go back into the kitchen for a moment because she had left something in the oven. Split into two simple sentences. এর সলিউশন হবে She had left something in the oven, so she had to go back into the kitchen for a moment. Next, Ben Price knew Jimmy's habits. Change into negative sentence. এর সলিউশন হবে Jimmy's habit were not unknown to Ben Price. Next, he was dismayed. The compartment was empty. Join into simple sentence. এর সলিউশন হবে The compartment being empty, he was dismayed. Next, I believe that we are not real social workers. Rewrite the sentence using the noun form of believe. এর সলিউশন হবে My belief is that we are not real social workers, or it is my belief that we are not real social workers. Next, the mirror was obviously made in India. Split into two simple sentences. এর solution হবে the mirror was made in India. It was obvious. Set 3. Question number A. No, he hasn't taken it. Leela screamed. Change the mode of narration. এর solution হবে Leela screamed to assert that he had not taken it. Next, fine art liberates our mind. Change the voice. এর solution হবে our mind is liberated by fine art. Next, they are hurt because they are forgotten. Split into two simple sentences. এর solution হবে they are forgotten. They are hurt. Next, and then when Price acted rather strangely, rewrite using the adjective form of strangely. এর solution হবে and then when Price's action was rather strange. Next, as soon as he had gone, she hailed a passing railway coolie. Change into negative sentence. এর solution হবে no sooner had he gone than she hailed a passing railway coolie. Next, he stopped near the well and pointed up. Change into simple sentence. এর solution হবে stopping near the well, he pointed up. Next, it will be wrong on our part to expect. Change into negative sentence. এর solution হবে it will not be right on our part to expect. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you.